Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how we can use a function in Google Sheets mobile. Alright, here I have opened my Google Sheets application on my phone and I have created a table as well. So this is the table of a student score and we're going to practice how we can use a function for this table. So we're going to decide whether the student can pass the test or not. So this is the term. If the score is greater than or equal to 75, so the student will pass the test, but if the score is less than 75, so the student will not pass the test. So let's just practice, guys. So we're going to type the formula, so we can select the cell where we want to put the formula. So I'm going to put the formula right here, so just click on the cell, then we can enter the formula and make sure that you pay attention to this formula. Okay, so we have to type equal, then if, and then I'm going to select a B3 cell, then larger than or equal to 75. Okay, and this is the term. I'm going to put the term pass like this, then the opposite is fail. Sorry. Okay, and then let's just tap on this check mark button after we are done typing the formula. Okay guys, and this is the result, and let's just do autofill for the table. So just select the table, then click on autofill. Alright. Okay guys, and that's how we can apply a function in Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.